everybody, welcome back to my channel. And hi, if you're new, I'm Alyssa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. I can't believe it's already been a month since I uploaded my last video. Moving has been so chaotic, but I have a few clips of me doing random projects throughout my home, so I'm gonna show you those now. Good morning, friends. I am currently making some breakfast. I have a little Stickies yogurt and I have some Alyssa's cookies that I'm using as like granola because it's basically just oatmeal and a banana. But it's been a while. Oh my gosh, so much has been going on. Moving is chaotic. Also, my dishwasher is going, so if you hear that, just ignore it. I figured we could spend the day together. All I'm doing today is kind of cleaning and getting more stuff together. This is pistachio butter that I am putting on top of my little yogurt bowl for breakfast. So if you have any home improvement projects to do, or if you just moved and you need to clean and unpack, then this is the vlog for you because we're gonna try to get all the things done. All right, you can't see my head, but at least you can see my yogurt bowl. Here is the finished product. She's going to be delicious. The stuff from Whole Foods is pricey, but it's so good in yogurt bowls. I'm obsessed with pistachio butter lately. You could always probably make your own if you have a high-powered blender or like a food processor, but this stuff is so smooth. So time for my little breakfast. Believe it or not, we need to clean off my island. This is just so much moving stuff because I didn't know where to put it. So let's see what we can do to make this space, you know, a little bit better. If you guys want a little mini home goods haul, I got some of these pumpkins. They're so cute and glittery and gold. I love them. So I'm gonna decorate the house with those little cuties. I got this like mauve and gold pumpkin for the kitchen. Well, I just put these things here, but I figured it would go like over here and it would blend in good. This is hands down the best fall candle. It's the white pumpkin scent from the Sensational brand. You can get it at Home Goods. It is to die for. We have one wood wick and then this one is just 3 regular wicks. And here, so good. You need to smell this. It's like a slightly sweet, creamy pumpkin. And this box right here, and that's what's in this huge Amazon box. They're new handrails. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you. It's like a lucite handrail. I'll just insert a picture. And it has like a gold little attaching rod thing. Yeah, I'll insert a picture so you know what I'm talking about. But this is a future project. Hello again, friends. I'm currently on the floor of my office. I just found the box that has all of my bathroom stuff in it. I have been feeling so out of place and I couldn't figure out why. And then I realized where's my bathroom stuff? All of my like extra shampoos, conditioners, lotions, face serums, like all of the stuff that I would like normally grab randomly. And I found it. It's in this box. I would lift it up, but it's right here. It was so heavy to bring up the stairs. What I'm working on now, you guys are currently sitting on the dresser that I'm going to be using to hold my background for future videos. Let me show you. So this dresser right here, when you walk into my room, here's the dresser, and I'm gonna have my like YouTube background over here and like have nice decor so I can like finally have something. I hope you guys can see me. I'm not using my front facing camera right now. I need to set up all of the stuff for my camera so I can start filming again, not on my iPhone, because I don't love the quality of like the audio and how it kind of like gets blurry randomly with my iPhone. It does this like autofocus feature, but it doesn't work. So yeah, I'm putting all of my beauty products in this dresser. This dresser, like I said, is going to be the background for my future videos. So it's going to be what you see when I do sit down videos. I wanted a completely different vibe. However, this is what I have, and I'm trying to save a little bit of money because we've been spending more money in other areas for the home, and this dresser works perfectly fine and it has a lot of storage. So I'm just going to change out the hardware because right now it has that black hardware. I'm probably going to put some sort of gold acrylic hardware on it to make it more my style. But until then, I need to fill it up because this is also going to be my storage for my overflow products. So all my extra body care, which brings us to now and what I'm doing. I'm putting away all this stuff. I have extra body scrubs and stuff that I just need stored until I'm ready to use them. And you guys probably remember in my last apartment, I had like all of those bins that were storing all of my products, and I don't have that now. Also, side note, we're gonna be redoing my bathroom. It's just gonna take us a little bit. Like, we're still barely unpacked. Right after I posted my video, I got really sick for a few weeks. Wasn't doing great. Like, I'm fine now. But anyway, I'm super behind. Like, we've been in this house, I think, for almost a month now, and half of that time I've been sick, and half of that time we've had people come in and out to change certain things because there was a lot that needed to be fixed in this home and changed out. Anyway, needless to say, I am nowhere near unpacked. Like, I feel like I'm still living out of a suitcase, even though I have all my clothes unpacked. That was the one thing I did get done, was clothes unpacked and hung up. But anyway, everything else, I don't know where it is, so I'm trying to unpack as fast as I can. And I picked out a desk. I picked out a new desk from Anthropologie and one of their dressers to go on the side of the desk. That will be a whole reveal because I want to do like an office reveal. I think that would be fun. But I have a long ways to go until then. So this drawer, I want to be body care. I think I'm gonna have tech and like those, and then maybe like current YouTube videos, things that I'm working on will go in this top drawer. We'll just see how far I can get with this. So cool new finding, these little plastic dividers that I get, these large ones, fit perfectly in the dresser. So I have a couple categories going. These are body lotions, body exfoliators, body wash. Those are foot masks that were hidden, so I forgot to use up. And then these are just body samples. Obviously, this is the body drawer. So I think I'm gonna get more of these and try to fit all my categories just to keep them organized, because they're just gonna flop around if I don't organize them. So I think this is gonna be my perfect solution. I have medical and like teeth stuff in here. And then what I started up here was hair stuff. But at least the box is broken down, and this stuff is basically going into my bathroom now. And I just have to figure out where to put like room sprays. So here is where I'm at with the bathroom. I found out that this drawer right here is broken, so I need to get a new one of these. I'm not sure I finished my thoughts earlier. So basically what's happening with the bathroom is it's getting remodeled. I'm not exactly sure when. I think we're gonna, in a few weeks, we're gonna go get quotes, but this isn't gonna be here forever like this, because to me it doesn't look amazing, but I need to just do it for now. I plan on doing a walk-in shower, so there's gonna be no door. And when we bought the house, the grout is kind of gross. I don't know if you can see it. It needs to be regrouted anyway. Because we have to regrout, we might as well do a whole remodel, right? Totally kidding, but yeah, we are going to be remodeling because there's a lot that needs to be changed in here. If you look at the light fixtures, they're like rusted. This home is beautiful, but up close, it needs a ton of TLC. Like, a lot needs to be changed, but that's fine. It's a work in progress. It's like blue in here, so I'm gonna be changing the color as well, and our room is blue. You can probably see the difference between the white and the blue. But yeah, we also have this wall right here. Our toilet is here, and then there's this wall, and I just feel so cramped when I'm going to the bathroom, so I want this wall taken out. I want the vanity moved over a tiny bit, and it will leave us with more room for a shower, but it's a pretty large shower. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's wide. This is just gonna be the situation, these 4 things plus my little teeth setup over here, until we do the remodel, which at this point, how things are going, this year is flying by already. I'm not sure the remodel is going to happen this year. That might be something that we prioritize the beginning of next year, but we'll see. It's like definitely on our list. No, it doesn't look too much different. All of this stuff right here is stuff that needs to go in the 2 plastic things that I get. Those storage systems, I'm gonna put those there. All of this will go in there so then it won't just be sitting here. This I'm returning. I was trying out a gua sha tool. Not a fan. It kind of hurts my face. And this is a pile of hair stuff and toiletries that I need to figure out. These are for B, so these can go. We're looking better. After much contemplating, I got this little Lululemon backpack to walk the boys with. They're excited already. But I got just this regular V-neck from H&M, and then here is my Lulu tights, and then this little backpack, and this converts to a regular backpack. But I'm ready for my walk. I know this mirror has not been cleaned since we moved, so everybody's handprints are all over it. Well, we got back from our walk, but there is no power. Apparently there was an accident right at our intersection. So I hope the power comes back on soon because I would love to not be hot and sweaty in my home in the middle of summer. Even though I'm already ready for fall. Clearly I'm ready for fall already. Good news is the power finally came back on, but now they're doing the lawn outside, so you can hear all the lawn care. So you win some and you lose some, but I'm playing with my makeup right now. I want to get it organized. And then after I get my makeup organized, I think I'm gonna work on finding all my filming equipment so I can start filming again for you guys, because I know it's been so long. It's already almost been a month since I filmed last, which like I can't even comprehend that. But I packed all of my makeup in bags right before I moved, and I literally haven't used it at all this month, and I haven't been feeling like myself. So I think if I get my makeup out so I can like play with it and have like one of my hobbies back, I'll start to feel a little bit better. And then I can see what I have because I want to do a little bit of fall makeup shopping. I am really leaning into fall right now for those cozy, comforting vibes because I currently do not have them. I appreciate that our HOA covers lawn care, but I still need to learn the schedule because I can't be here filming on the lawn care day. Like I can't do it. It gets too stressful. Like I said, I'm gonna start going through my makeup and then I'm gonna put it away. Who's going with mommy to Starbucks? This guy. I've secured the coffee. I started editing and then the power went out again. But I'll take this time to tell you about some updates that I've already made. I started painting and you can see the difference in color of the walls. I chose Sherwin-Williams bright white or pure white, something like that. It was really, really nice. And you can see the difference in how yellow the original color is. And then I have an Anthropologie Dupe. So there was this thing that I really wanted from Anthropologie. I'll insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. And this is my creation. Ignore the mess though, because I'm still building other Ikea pieces and there's been a random pillow on my floor for weeks and I really don't know why. But this is from Ikea. It's the besties unit. And then we drilled in our own hardware. And if you're wondering why the hardware is up at the top instead of the middle, is because the middle panel is so thin that we had to put the hardware up at the top. And then I got these little legs from Amazon and it is so, so nice. So the top one is a drawer and the bottom one is a cabinet. Ultimate functionality. I already started decorating for fall, as you can see over there. And then I got this long gold tray and some little tea lights for some mood lighting, some cozy lighting. We have to do some cable management. And if you notice, this hole in the wall, this giant square is off centered on the wall. So I'm gonna hang up curtains and just have them here and here, so the wall looks even though it's not. And then the curtain will cover up all of the cables that you can see. We needed the TV stand to either be completely on the ground or raised up because I needed to be able to vacuum under it. And the boys, our two doggos, roll their balls under the TV stand at our other house and they would be lost forever. So we needed to have access to their toys that went under there. But this is the living room update so far. And I originally designed this idea on Canva. So I'll show you that because it's actually really cool what I did. I was able to basically visualize this piece and all of the different components together before I went forward with doing it. And originally I was going to be putting door handles instead of these knobs because I wanted like an impact. I wanted that retro glam look with really large handles, but I ended up just going with standard cabinet poles because these ones are about 2 inches. So they're slightly bigger than regular cabinet poles, but they still give me that effect that I wanted from the original Anthropologie piece. And I saved so much money. I'll do a little cost breakdown for you guys. The Ikea piece with hardware and new furniture legs and all that came to around $700, but I'll put the full price breakdown right here. And then the Anthropologie piece with tax and shipping came to close to like, I think $2,500, which is absolutely insane. I am so in love with how the project turned out, so I'm so glad that I did it. Instead of just buying an Anthropologie piece, I did buy an Anthropologie desk and a dresser though, so that will be coming in, but I saved a little bit of money. I'll link everything down below that I talked about in this vlog today, just in case that helps you at all. All right, you guys, that is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching all the way through if you did. I'm going to be posting very soon again. I don't have an upload schedule yet, but I am going to be pumping out some videos here shortly, so just keep an eye out for those. And I like to update you in the community tab on my YouTube page, just in case you haven't heard from me in a while. Check there and I might have made an update. But I'm gonna go get some coffee and work on editing this video at the coffee shop, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I miss you all so much.